Alright guys, here is a quick trading plan for Euro USD and GBP USD. Having compared Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CAD and GD USD, we figured out that the Euro USD and GBP USD are giving the best opportunity in case we will get any news that suggests fall in US dollar index. In last couple of days, United States and Iran are at an impasse and there is no progress in the negotiations. Iran is demanding US to remove the blockade before it will go to the negotiating table, and US has not decided or given any implication or direct statement about removing the blockade. That's why market has been indecisive in most of the pairs. However, as we had anticipated, Euro USD had corrected and GBP USD also corrected, and even our target of the last trade 34.80 was hit on Monday. So these pairs are ready after correction for further continuation in case we get any positive development in US-Iran conflict, which will suggest fall in oil as well as US dollar index. Otherwise, now minor economic data are not impacting the market much because we have seen no progress today after the release of PMIs from the UK, European Union, and US. Euro has shown a little price action in intraday. However, this price action initially was to the downside and now it has been reversing to the upside. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, you will understand that it has been a choppy price action and there is no clear swing. And if we simply look at the current price development, it is still in the fashion of making lower low and lower high, which is not giving any significant opportunity or clear opportunity to go to the long side. This movement to the upside is pretty similar to the previous movement to the upside seen between this price level and this price level. So we will wait for any significant economic news, not any minor news. When I say significant economic news, let me tell you that the prelims advanced GDP or unemployment data or anything related to interest rate, these kind of news are significant news which will move the market, and PMIs will not be very significant. So if we get any such news against US dollar or in favor of euro or pound, you can check your calendar for upcoming schedule of the data when they are going to be released. If we look at today and tomorrow, so in the remainder of the day and tomorrow, there are no such data. So we'll have to depend on a triggering factor, and the biggest triggering factor right now is the development in US-Iran negotiations, which is at impasse, like I said. So if we get anything, we can jump into buy trade in both of these pairs, and we can target in Euro USD at least 61% movement to the upside. So if you want to understand what I mean by 61% movement, you simply can draw this. So this will give you a target of immediate target of 1790 area. On GBP USD, this will give you the target. There is no requirement of 61.8%. It will totally go to the recent swing high, which will give you a target of 3590 area. However, if the triggering factor doesn't stay valid, if any contradictory statement comes in the market, and if market goes down, Euro USD and GBP USD go down, then closing below this recent swing low will invalidate the bullish setup. So number one, we'll have to wait for any bullish triggering factor, then we'll enter the trade, and then this will be our exit point in case the setup is invalidated. Similarly, in Euro USD, our exit point will be below this swing low, which is something around 1679. Let me put the crosshair here. 1678.6 was the low. So that's all in short in today's trading plan, and also valid for tomorrow. Thanks for watching.